Right, so now that we have added our cars, our vehicles, we have refueled our vehicles, now let's add information about the trip logs of these vehicles. Since Suzuki is my recently added vehicle, so I need to add some past driving information onto my Fuelio app. There are 3 ways to do that. Let's go into trip log. And as you can see, there's no information so far for Suzuki. So we can add 3 different ways. As I said earlier, the first way to add the past information is going to plus sign and manual entry. Here you're presented with this screen where you add all the information that is going to be your trip log. Let's start by saying we are going from Birmingham, just for the title, to, let's say, Manchester. It's a commute type of travel. Origin, where we're starting from, let's say we're starting from Birmingham city centre, say we're starting from Bullring or Moore Street, anywhere you want to add, just click on that point and it will save that location here. Now with date, we traveled on the 1st of April, just for the sake of it. Time, we traveled at midday. Okay. Initial counter was 25,000, just for the information. Destination, Manchester. Let's go to Manchester. There we are. Anywhere on there. There we go. Greater Manchester. And date on the 1st of April. At time we reached there, say 3 o'clock. The final auto, we traveled, say for example, 25,100 miles. So total distance we did 100 miles in the optional section. You can add cost per mile and trip cost. This information need to be known in advance for be able to fill out. If you don't have it, you can leave it blank and it will still work. Note if you want to add any note for that trip. Add. There we go. We have added a manual entry from Birmingham to Manchester. Now if you want to see more information, you click on that and there we go. You have presented with a map and you did 100 miles, took you 3 hours. Private, no, I selected commute. So I don't know why is it showing me private. Let's go back there and go to commute and save. Now commute, I did 33 miles per hour from West Midlands to Greater Manchester. Brilliant. Now let's add one more manual entry. Now we traveled from Manchester to London. Okay, let's add that. Origin. Now just to show you this difference here, if I were to add Manchester from keyboard onto this section, the date, we traveled on the 2nd, we traveled at midday, and initial order was, well, 25,100, and then we traveled to, say, London. There we go. And the date, we reached there on the 2nd, of course, and it took us, well, say 4 hours. Just for the sake of argument, now we have traveled, just say 25,300. We did 200 miles on this trip. Any notes? There we go. And we click yes. There we go. Now on the main screen of the trip log, it will show you total trips, your total time that you have been traveled or you traveled with using this app, and the average speed you have used. Again, if you click to view the details of this second trip log, You click on that and it shows you did 200 miles and other information and bits and pieces. Again, you can select the commute type, the travel type as commute, because I commuted from there. There we go. All done. So that's how you add manual entries of your past rides. Now this will not record your routes because it's not using a GPS. You're doing a manual entry. Fine. Now the second way of doing this is, again, it's a manual start and stop, but on this manual start and stop, this time it will record your routes. So what you do is you come into, say for example, your home screen, you select this, you go into trip log and you presented same trip log screen, click on the plus sign and you click on record trip. That will start recording your trip. There it is, waiting for GPS, and trip is recording. Once you have done that, you have to come back in here, click on the status, finish, and that's it. Your trip will be recorded and shown here. Since we haven't moved, so it's not going to record or show me anything for now. And the third way is a very interesting and efficient way of using this app. How that works is it detects your Bluetooth device that you have specified in this app. Once it picks up that, or it connects to your mobile, it starts recording. And when you disconnect that device, your Bluetooth device, it will stop recording. And I think that is very clever. So let me show you how that works. For that to work, you have to first pair your Bluetooth device to your mobile and then go into Fuelio app and go into settings. You scroll down, you come to trip log. Here you see the first option is auto start. You click on that and you see start when connected, finish when disconnected. So I have got these ticked. Now paired devices, I have two. I have one for my motorbike and one for my car. Let me show you. I have my motorbike connected to helmet's Bluetooth headset. When that is detected or connected to my mobile, it will start recording. Let me show you. For my motorbike, I have assigned my Bluetooth headset for my helmet, which is this one. And for my car, Suzuki, I have got my Suzuki car's in-dash system paired with my mobile. Whenever I connect my mobile, or whenever my mobile is connected automatically to my car, it will start recording the trip log. Very interesting. Now let me show you how this Bluetooth works. Let's say if we are recording for my motorbike, because this is for the motorbike. Now if I click to switch this on, as soon as it's connected to my mobile, there you go, it's picked up and it's recording. How clever is that? Now for it to finish recording, all I have to do is switch this off and it will finish recording. Simple as that. There we go. If I switch this off, and there you go, see how I went away and backed up my information to Google Drive. Clever. So this is how you use your trip recording for your vehicles. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.